Welcome back guys to another video. Here I have some Jamaican June plum and I'm going to be making some June plum juice. So here I have a few and I washed them, and I have some ginger here as well. You can also use lime along with the ginger. Now I'm going to cut the plum like this, and then I'm going to cut it into small pieces.
Chefing it up in her kitchen. Don't forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and everything neat and delicious in a Carla's Kitchen. Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe.
Here's the plum all cut up with the ginger. So I'm gonna go ahead and add it to the blender. Here I'm adding 3 cups of water. It's time to blend. So I'm going to go ahead and strain it now. Here is the refreshing June plum juice. The color is beautiful guys, look at it, so green. It smells delicious. Wow. Remember to like the video if you did not like it as yet, and share this video out. So now it's time to sweeten this refreshing juice, and I will be using honey to sweeten my juice. You can use sugar if you like, but here I'm adding my honey, and you can sweeten it to your own liking. Plum juice is so refreshing guys, so delicious, so healthy. Try it out. Please remember to like the video, comment, share the video out, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel, touch my notification bell to all so you will be notified every time when I post a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thank you guys for coming back. To all my supporters, thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you all. Be kind to yourselves so you know how to show kindness to others. Walk good, do good, and good will always follow you. And I'm gonna see you again in another video. Take care guys. Bye.